Hey YouTube, today I want to check out a conspiracy flat earther known as Taboo Conspiracy. In his video titled, Sorry, Antarctica is Closed, which was released on November 10th, 2020, where he tries to prove that independent travel to Antarctica is prohibited. So sit back and enjoy. So right off the bat, he tries to shoot down people asking flat earthers to take pictures of the edge of the so-called flat earth, and proceeds to say things like, it's impossible, and then tries to turn the tables on everyone else in a way to deflect the responsibility from him and his fragile ego. Let's have a look.
Hey everyone. This video is in response to the many globe propagandists who demand that I show a picture of the edge of the flat earth. For the dozens of these ball-loving zealots with multiple sock puppet accounts who repeat this mantra daily, your demand is ridiculous.
So far, he is off to a good start. I can't prove the earth is flat because that's ridiculous. Great start, Taboo Conspiracy. He then goes on to try and explain why he can't take the picture. And one of his main points that he's going to try and prove is that independent travel is not allowed under the Antarctic Treaty System, as a basis for why no one can take a picture of the nonsensical ice wall around the so-called flat earth. However, just before he goes into the Antarctic Treaty, he drops a pearl. Listen to this.
Like a ring magnet, north constitutes the center of our flat earth map, and south is every direction away from the northern center. And before I get a dozen comments claiming that such a magnet is impossible, here's a ring magnet shown here. Notice that south is in every direction away from the center north magnetic pole.
Now, I couldn't let this one slide, so I went and did something which he seems to lack in: research. I found the original video, and I will include a link in the description below, and decided to take a few portions out of that video and just highlight the impressiveness of his false claims.
Magnets. Great source of magnetism if you want to experiment. Anyway, what I've done is I've taken this magnet as well as 4 others, and I've put them all together in a stack, and got a really useful tool. It's the pole identifier. So you just press the button, hold it by the magnet, and it tells you which poles. Green is for south and red is for north.
The creator of this video, Jay My Own, then goes on to show the same demonstration that Taboo Conspiracy was claiming proved that the center of the ring magnet is always north. By the way, these ring magnets can be found in car speakers.
North and south. So we have north here, south there. So what I've done is I've got some neodymium magnets, and I've labeled these poles accordingly, south and north. And what I want to do is, I know that north on the top, and so I have a really strong magnetic attraction here with the south pole to the north side, and I'm just going to let it snap on there. And
now, taking into account that we are only 1 minute 30 seconds into Taboo Conspiracy's video, this proof has already shown that this conspiracy theorist will clutch at anything and take something completely out of context just to try and make him look and sound smart, whilst at the same time proving that he undoubtedly knows nothing about what he is speaking about. But there is one more thing I want to add into this portion of his claim. Taboo Conspiracy will try to make you believe that the ring magnet has a center north pole in the middle of the magnet, and that's why the outside magnet with an S on it is attracted to it. That's stupid. He then proceeds to waffle on about how difficult it is to get a permit to go to Antarctica, all the while skewing the facts with his own point of view. He ends the video with so-called proof that independent travel to Antarctica is prohibited. It's a long video, and if you want to watch it, I will leave a link in the description below. But honestly, while I was watching this, I could literally feel my own limited IQ points rapidly decreasing while I was trying to understand his point of view. But now, after all that, we come to the Crackpot Quotient portion of the video. A portion where I get to score Taboo Conspiracy based on a number of factors. If you want to see how I got to this formula, the link is in the description. So working with the formula above, we can give Taboo Conspiracy an idiotic giggle factor of 9, a facepalm strength of a solid 10, use of word salad, I'll give him about an 8 on this one, past regurgitation value, also about an 8, level of disbelief about how much junk he just spoke, I'll give him another 8. Egocentricity, he definitely was horribly egotistical, a whopping solid 10. A rage factor, he didn't hulk out too much, but he was a bit irate sometimes, so he gets about a 6 on this one. The understanding scale, a very, very dismal 4. And a fact-checking value, also a dismal performance of a 3. So, taking all the values into account, working it out, he gets a CQ index of 199.24. If you like these videos as much as I enjoy making them, then please like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon to be notified when new videos are released.